Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and I'd just like to show you a really quick tip using your texture paste. In the video that we've just had on, we've used 3 colours of texture paste on a stencil, well, to make a background. And as I was taking the stencil away, I had a really bright idea and I thought, oh, I wonder if that would work. Now, I've left out my scrap paper on the mat and I'm putting another sheet on just for extra protection, as it were. And I'm going to tape that down because I've said I want to show you everything in real time. Next, I'm going to take a piece of kitchen roll and put that on the paper. Then I'm going to put a piece of card on the kitchen roll. So I hope you can see it. I know there's a lot of white, but I hope you can see this. Now when I finished the video, I put my stencil between 2 baby wipes because I had to finish chatting and I couldn't run out and wash it and then come back and finish chatting. So I wanted to protect it. And as I put the baby wipes on it, I thought, wow, you know what? I've got a bit of an idea for this. Now, my texture paste is still wet on my stencil. Sorry, so because I'm doing this on the hop, you see. So this is where I get messy and I don't prove the point that it's all clean. So my stencil is still wet with texture paste now. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to pop it onto the piece of card that I've just put down. I'm going to take a baby wipe and very gently rub. Now you're going to get some of the residue from the texture paste in between, you know, with the stencil. So you're going to get a bit of pattern, and then when you finish rubbing, because really what you're doing is you're pressing your stencil down, then take a bit of clean kitchen roll and just press it again, because you don't want to get too much water on your card, or else it'll, you know, it'll start peeling and crumbling. Then peel your card away. Now I don't know what's going to happen here. This is on the hoof. This is an extra for you. I'm going to peel this away. Oh, look at that! And we've got an extra background. Oh, that's cool. And that was just kind of thinking, you know what a waste. All that texture paste on my stencil, I could do something with that. So that goes with the 3 colour that we did. Oh, how cool. So I shall set this one to dry. And if you've got any thoughts or comments, please feel free to comment on Facebook or my blog. I keep forgetting to say that all week. And this is just a little extra to show you an alternative for your backgrounds. So now I can go clean my stencil. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow with stencils and glitter and texture paste. Thanks for watching. See you next time.